Good morning. My name is Linda and I'd like to welcome you to my channel another time. Today I'm going to be taking a metal T-post and showing you how to turn it into a wooden fence post as we work on the garden fencing. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed, please go to my channel and like and subscribe. Let's get started. Since this is garden fence, it doesn't need to be pulled. Um, I do have some woven wire that I may need to pull on the other side because I ran out of garden fence. This is a lot easier if you have somebody help you. My husband had an appointment this morning, so he wasn't able to. This needs to get finished, so I'm going to start it. And he may end up helping me finish it. I want to get this one side done and completed so I can show you how these T-posts are covered up and how nice it looks after. I'm going to finish the side, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to tighten it. So I wanted to show you an easy way to tighten this fence. And of course, it's not going to be perfect. It really doesn't matter. It's a garden fence. But what I'm doing here, because I'm working on my own, is I'm taking a steel bar. You could use a piece of wood or a pipe or something. And I'm pulling it back as far as I can pull it back to get some of the wrinkle out of it. And then I'm attaching it with just some wire. You want to pull the wire as tight as you can get it. And twist it around a few times and then go back and cut the excess off. So I'm doing that all the way down. So So you want to take your bar, put it on this side, pull the section that you want to pull, and then just pull it and hold it with your body and tighten it. And that's all there is to it. I'm just going to go down the row and finish the rest. Okay, so now I'm putting on these C-clamps, or U-clamps, or whatever you want to call them. And I'm just taking, I don't have short enough screws. So meanwhile, I'm using 1-inch screws just to show you how this is going to be done. I'll probably just go through and cut them off on the other side. But as you can see, the board, the decorative board, is attached, and I'm going to attach another one at the bottom. Okay, so I finished this side. And that's how it looks after you're done putting the panels on. Now from the side, you can tell it's a T-post with a board in front of it. But that's okay, because I need it to keep it attractive from that side and the people pulling into the boat storage. So it looks nice, and let me tell you, it's an easy way to do a garden fence if you are a home renter. You can just take some T-posts and put up a fence around your garden in a rental site with T-posts and welded wire fencing or fence panels, however you want to do it. And then you can put these boards over the top of it. I mean, by the time you're done, it's only about $2 less, but you're not digging holes, and you're not carrying heavy bags of concrete. So it's more for a decorative touch. Definitely not necessary for a garden fence, but I needed it so that it falls in line with our other fencing. Not that fencing back there, but the fencing out front. So anyway, you have a great day, and if you haven't subscribed, please go to my channel and subscribe. Hit the like button and turn on the notifications. And I want to thank you so much for watching. And like I said, the easy way to turn a T-post into a wooden post.